The keto and carnivore diets are both low-carb eating styles that have gained huge popularity for weight loss, mental clarity, and overall health, but they're not the same. The keto diet focuses on high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbs, typically around 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. The goal is to push your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat instead of glucose for fuel. Keto allows for a wider variety of foods, including meats, healthy fats, leafy greens, low-carb veggies, nuts, and even keto-friendly desserts. In contrast, the carnivore diet takes things to an extreme by eliminating all plant foods and focusing solely on animal products, meat, fish, eggs, and sometimes dairy. It's a zero-carb diet with no fiber, fruits, or vegetables. While keto is about maintaining ketosis with low carbs, carnivore is more of an elimination diet aimed at reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and simplifying eating by removing all potential plant-based irritants. People often choose carnivore if they have autoimmune conditions or gut issues, while keto is more popular for its balance, flexibility, and long-term sustainability. Both diets can support fat loss and energy, but choosing between them depends on your personal goals, how your body responds, and what you can stick to. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What works best is what works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for future uploads.